Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a weekend in my life. I did want to also say all my videos are gone, like on my channel. I went ahead and just put them all private. I wanted a fresh start. A lot has happened within the last few years. I'm married. I literally had to plan a wedding for a year and a half, which was so stressful. My husband and I just got back from our honeymoon and it was just such a blast. So I just want to get back into making YouTube videos. So that is what I'm doing today. So I wanted to do a weekend in my life and just start kind of romanticizing my life and doing things for myself. I feel like a lot of the time, most of my time, I'm just a homebody. Like I am just, you know, at home with my husband, my dogs, and I see friends, but like I really need to focus on like taking myself out as well and focusing on me time and my mental health. So that's something that I wanted to get back into. So I just picked up my Starbucks order. I got a salted caramel cold brew, which is my go-to, and then I also got a ham and Swiss croissant. So currently I am in a parking lot trying to enjoy my breakfast and the scenery. The trees are changing colors. I love fall. Like, I mean, fall is literally my season. But yeah, I'm like really enjoying the view. There's a HomeSense in here and I wasn't planning on going into the HomeSense, but my best friend's actually looking for these two specific plates for Christmas. I have seen them a lot like on TikTok. I think they kind of went viral, but she only has two of them and she needs two more to complete the set. So I think I'm gonna walk in there real quick and just kind of look out for that. I'm not really looking for anything in particular there, but I will look for those two plates and see if I could find them. But if not, we are going to Marshall's and HomeGoods in a little bit. So hoping that they have it in there. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah. Marshall's HomeGoods was a success. I was under $100, which is pretty good for me at least. So now we're on the way to Old Navy because I'm trying to find these PJs that have cute little bows on them. And on the website, they only have the pants, and I'm trying to get the whole set. So that is something I'm looking for. And then after that, we're going to go to Target. Okay guys, I was supposed to vlog yesterday and I didn't, and today's Monday, but it's okay. We're just gonna pretend like it's Sunday and keep it pushing. I honestly just woke up so tired yesterday. I had to work late Saturday night and I woke up yesterday just so tired and honestly just wanting to just lay on my couch the whole entire day. The one thing I did do was make a garlic honey chicken in the crock pot that turned out really good. I'll link the person that I found the recipe from down below so you guys can try it too, but that's all I pretty much did yesterday. And then Aaron and I we ended up finding a new show on Netflix called Nobody Wants This with Kristen Bell, and we both thought it was really funny. There's only 10 episodes, but it's cute. Like, it's a cute, funny show. Like, if you're just wanting something like casual, I think we'll probably watch that tonight. But yeah, so right now I'm on the way to a wisdom teeth consult, and I'm a little embarrassed to say that I haven't gotten my wisdom teeth taken out, and I'm 30, but in my defense, they have not bothered me at all. Like, I have no pain whatsoever. Like, I'm fine. It's just I wanted to go ahead and get them taken out just because Aaron and I do plan on starting a family soon, and I feel like once you have kids, life kind of gets a little hectic, so I just wanted to like kind of knock some things out before that next chapter. But yeah, so I'm actually in the parking lot now, so I don't know why I said that I'm on the way, because I'm here already. Afterwards, I am wanting to go to Hobby Lobby. They have their fall and Christmas decor for 50% off, so I'm just gonna look around and see what I can find. They also have their wall art for 50% off, which I'm super interested in because I have been looking for this specific art piece for probably 2 months now, and it was all over TikTok. It's sold out on their website. I just can't find it. I'll insert a picture of what I'm talking about, so I'm gonna try to find that. After that, we're just gonna head home. I'm gonna bake banana bread and basically just have a chill night. So I did want to go ahead and show you guys my nail color because I am honestly obsessed with it, and it is called Got the Blues for Red, and it is by OPI. It's a gel color and it is honestly stunning. Like, I am just obsessed with this color. Okay, so I found a couple things. So that artwork that I was looking for, they did not have it, but I did find another one that I wanted to show you guys. So I found this wall art, and I think it's super cute. It's different. It goes with the vibe that we have going on in our apartment, and I'm excited for that one. I don't think I'll put this one in the kitchen because I feel like there's not that much space. I was trying to find one that was a little bit smaller, but I probably will switch that one out with another one. Okay, and then the next two things, these little mushrooms. I think I'm just gonna either put them on top, like stacked like on top of books that we have, either on our coffee table or in our entry table area. And then the next two things that I got were candles. The first one is this frosty mocha latte, and I just love the packaging of it. Like, it's just very simple, so I'm gonna have this one in the kitchen. The other one that I got was this small one, and I loved the smell of this one. This one is called a cozy cup of cocoa, so I really love this one. I will probably have this either in our bathroom or like, I don't know, like maybe like our coffee table. But it smells so good. Yeah, that's all I got from Hobby Lobby today. Yeah, this Hobby Lobby that I went to, they didn't really have much like florals, maybe because we're like in fall already and they're all gone, but I was wanting to find some stems and they didn't have anything. They have just all the Christmas stuff out, and personally, I am not ready to decorate for Christmas. Normally, I decorate either a week before Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving week. I just need to enjoy fall, so I'm not ready for Christmas yet, so I tried not to really look into like any Christmas stuff. Like I went to go browse just to see, but I don't think this year I'm gonna buy anything, just because I have a ton of Christmas stuff and there are a lot of things that I actually have to give away or send to Goodwill or something. I don't even end up using everything every year, especially since we're in an apartment. I just don't have the space for it. But it was still kind of cool to look around and see what they have going on. So I do want to mention, I ended up going to Old Navy on Saturday and I just did not find the PJs. I don't know, I just wasn't really like in the shopping mood to look at other things at Old Navy. But I think I am gonna look online and see if I can just find the PJs there. But yeah, now we're just gonna go home. I still plan on making banana bread, which I'm so excited about, and yeah.